So today we're going to take a look at the ReadyDoc dashboard. In case you haven't used it before, this is a good overview of the administrative side. So as a facility administrator, you have the ability to see all of the providers from your roster across all of your facilities all in one place. As we can see here, we've got a list of the providers showing, in this case, 13, but you could have as many as 100 or 1,000 or what have you. This is just a quick and easy way for you to view them all. You can search by their last name or their first name. You can change the sort order here, just like an Excel file, which in essence, ReadyDoc replaces. You can also search your roster by a specific license type. So in this case, we're looking at just physicians. Clear that out. We also have the ability to look at providers by a facility location. So in some cases, we've got providers at one facility or another. That can be a useful feature. And also the safe status. So in this case, you may want to see your provider roster as it pertains to expired documents. We can see here there are 4 providers who meet the criteria of having documents that have expired, and you can do that for any other status of document, as you can see here, expiring soon or missing files. And another way to view that is through the status view. So clicking this option changes the dashboard so that you can see from left to right documents that are expired and which providers have those expired documents. So you can take immediate action, or those documents that are expiring soon. And then of course, this view shows all of the documents that might be missing in the provider's safe. And that's it. Now you're ready. ReadyDoc.